technicalities or time-wasting application for adjournment. In doing so, we hope to restore confidence in the judiciary as an institution that serves the best interests of justice. May I also humbly request, as I've done at the opening of the 2024 legal year of the Supreme Court, that the President of the National Industrial Court take steps to address the current trend of making the swearing-in of judicial officers into elaborate ceremonies filled with pomp and extravagance. The lavish reception that often follow these ceremonies have become a matter of concern. These celebrations, which bring together judicial officers, politicians, and other politically exposed persons, do not project the best image of the judiciary. The public mingling and fraternization between judicial officer and politicians during these events give rise to perception of undue influence. In an era where politicians are seen to go to any length to influence judicial outcome, these politicized ceremonies are increasingly worrisome. I strongly believe that the overly publicized and widely attended swearing-in ceremony, as well as the lavish reception organized by newly sworn-in judicial officers, are distracting from the solemnity and distinct nature of the office they occupy. Such events should be solemn and private, preserving the dignity and independence of the judiciary. I respectfully suggest that the swearing-in ceremonies and celebrations should be held in private, with reception limited to court-sponsored luncheons for newly sworn-in judicial officers. The judiciary must lead by example, showing restraint in mimicking the public exhibition of affluence and wanton display of wealth that we so often see in other sectors of society. It is imperative that the judiciary remains a beacon of modesty, integrity, and the rule of law.